Hello guys, welcome to my Android Tech channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix an unexpected error occurred in the Roblox needs to quit. We are sorry. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are facing the Roblox crash and unexpected error occurred, then I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, you need to press Windows plus R key. Here you need to type percentage local app data percentage. After that hit enter. In this you need to find Roblox. You can see here Roblox. Just right click on that folder and click on delete. Guys, here you need to wait for some time to completely delete this folder. As you can see, the Roblox folder has been deleted from here. Then close this window, and after deleting the folder you need to empty your recycle bin from here. Click on yes. For empty recycle bin, you can try another one method also. You can uninstall the program from the control panel. Just open the control panel. If it is selected as large or small icon, you just need to select as category. Click on category and click on uninstall a program. In this you need to find Roblox. As you can see here Roblox, just right click on that and click on uninstall. Click on yes. You can see the Roblox has been uninstalled from the control panel. Just close this window, and once you need to restart your laptop or PC. After restarting your laptop or PC, you need to try and download the Roblox from official website. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.